One of your coworkers, Mary, offers to treat you to lunch, which you think is your lucky day. You tell her that you would love to go, but insist on paying for your own lunch. Mary tells you that it's no big deal because she found money while cleaning the movie theater and intends to keep it. After all, finders keepers. When you hear that Mary found the money, you're not really sure how to react because you are aware of the company policies regarding found items. What are your feelings about this lunch offer?
This particular example is one that can really cause a lot of conflict between peers. So you really want to push the one that is the most appropriate to save your relationship with your team member or your coworker, as well as encouraging them to do the right thing. So C is the best approach in this particular example. You want to encourage your team member to seek out manager's advice and assistance while knowing from a best practice situation that the money is returned into lost and found.